Good day, students. So for today's video, we will be learning on the statement of changes in equity. So the statement of changes in equity is the third financial statement that you will be learning. Changes in equity is all changes, whether increase or decrease to the owner's interest on the company during the period are reported in this statement. This statement is prepared prior to the preparation of the statement of financial position to be able to obtain the ending balance of the equity to be used in the statement of financial position. But there are some cases nga una ginabuhat si balance sheet. As you remember, ang pinakauna na akong gitudlo sa inyo is the statement of financial position. Okay. So, ang statement of changes in equity is magpakita niya sa what is happening on the capital or what is happening on the owner's equity nga within the period. Okay. So, we have sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. So, ang kani sila nga tulo, naa sila different ways on presenting the statement of changes in equity. But for this video, we will be learning on the sole proprietorship. So, a sole proprietorship, a form of business is owned by one person, the simplest and the most common form of business organization. It is not separate from the owner. The business and the owner are inseparable. So, tanan nga asset sa business and the owner, iya tanan nga liabilities, tanan nga equity is naa tanan sa owner. But in partnership, a form of business owned by two or more persons. So, kung si sole proprietorship from the word sole, isa ra gid ang tag-iya. From partnership from the word partner, so this is owned by two or more persons. The details of the arrangement within the partners are outlined in the written documents called Articles of Partnership. Profits are divided among partners based on their agreed sharing. The owner is called a partner. So, in the sole proprietorship, tanan nga mga asset, liabilities, and equity is padulong tanan sa isa ka owner. But in partnership is magdepende sila sa ilahang mga agreed sharing. For example, if in ratio sila 20 by 40 by 40. No? So, ingon ana. And then, pwede po sila equal distribution of assets. Or pwede po ang ilahang profit sharing is magdepende kung pila ang amount nga ilang first nga gi-invest sa company. Muna siya ang partnership. Next type is the corporation. Corporation is a business organized as a separate legal entity or artificial person under the corporation law with ownership divided into transferable shares of stocks. Okay, so in the corporation, so in partnership is magdepende sila sa ilahang sharing. Ang diri sa corporation magdepende sila sa ilahang shares of stock. Kung pila ang ilang shares of stock, pila ang percent adto, mooro po ang ilahang makuha when they are dividing the profit of the company. Okay. So, in this video, as I have mentioned a while ago, so we will be focusing on the preparation of changes, statement of changes in equity for the sole proprietorship. So, in the sole proprietorship, it has the initial investment, the very first investment of the owner to the company. So, muna siya ang kung sa General Journal Transaction, nakabutang dito nga ABC invested 5 million pesos to the company. So, that is considered as the initial investment of the owner. Next is the additional investment. So, increases the owner's equity by adding investment by the owners. So, additional, from the word additional, so nag-additional na po siya og invest. So, the problem would say, ABC added an investment to the company in the amount of 100,000. So mahimo na siyang additional investment. So naitay ginatawag nga initial investment, tapos tay ginatawag nga additional investment. But in recording in the general journal, dili ka mag-ingon nga initial investment imong gamiton nga account. Ang gamiton nimo nga account is cash and capital, and as well as the additional investment, cash and capital, if cash ang ilahang gi-invest. But there are some instances pod nga ang owner mag-invest og mga equipments, such as ABC invested her personal computer to the company for the operation to be used in the operation of the company. So ang imuhang i-entry na on your general journal is computer equipment and then capital. No, dili ka mag-cash kay wa may cash nga gihatag. Equipment man, computer man ang giingon. Okay. Next is the withdrawals. This decreases to owner's equity by withdrawing assets by the owner. So the initial investment and additional investment makes an increase on the capital. And then the withdrawal, this is the one that will decrease the capital. So, mo ni siya ang pormada or proforma of a statement of changes in equity for the sole proprietorship. So, natin ginatawag nga heading, which is the very important when making a statement, any of the statement from the statement of financial position to the statement of comprehensive income up to the statement of changes in equity. So nakita ninyo, increase to equity, natay net income for the year, napotay additional investment. So si net income, makita na ninyo sa inyong statement of comprehensive income. So if it is a net income, i-add. If it is a net loss, i-less. Okay? Dayon, decrease to equity is the withdrawal for the year. So the owner had withdrawn an amount from the company to be used to i-use sa owner nga nang nag-withdraw siya, right? So this is the proforma. So we will be learning that on preparing it. Maghatag ko og example on niya. So, the steps on preparing the statement of changes in equity are draft the heading, the very important one. Kung mali inyong heading, maghatag siya og kalibog sa inyong mga internal and external users. So, always remember to write the right heading of your statement. Determine the beginning balance of the capital or equity. Determine the amount of investment, initial investment or additional. Determine the amount of the net income. And determine the balance of the drawing account. Lastly, determine the ending balance of the capital or owner's equity. So now, we will proceed on how to prepare a statement of financial positions. I will give you an example. So now, we will be learning on how to prepare your statement in changes in equity. So, gamito na po nato si labasan eternal images. Nganong ginagamit nato ni siya permi? It means bitaw nga sa isa ka company, maka-prepare gyud ka sa tanan nga mga statement. So in the labasan eternal images, we are done preparing the statement of financial position and the statement of comprehensive income. So now we will proceed on the preparation of the statement of changes in equity. So for the statement of changes in equity, we will be using the labasan capital and labasan withdrawal. So, gamiton dayon nato pod ang kaning amount from the net loss. So, we will start preparing the statement. Okay. The very first nga imong buhaton sa tanan nga mga statement, kinabalik-balik na ko pag-ingon, sulata ang sakto nga heading sa imuhang statement. First is the company name, Labasan Eternal Images. statement of changes in equity. And then for the year ended December 31, 2009. Okay. In this statement, you will first identify the capital. So, first nga imong isulat is the labasan capital. Okay, so the labasan capital, this is from your trial balance. Kana siya, oh. Gani, labasan capital. So that capital is classified as your beginning capital. The January 1, 2009. So, the amount for that, i-add to din nimo sa ikaupat nga column. Ang amount niya is 350,000. Okay. Next nga imong identify is ang imuhang i-add. Okay, i-add nimo. But remember, ang statement of comprehensive income ni labasan is net loss ya, di ba? Makita man diri sa iyahang income statement. Diba? Si income statement, mo man siya ang ato ang statement of comprehensive income. Makita man diri nga net loss siya o 4,000. So, dili ta mag-add. Okay. Dili ta mag-add. Ang ato ang buhaton is mag-less kita. Okay. Less net loss. Okay. So, kay isa raman ang ato ang i-less for this is diretso kita diri. Kay kung duha ni siya diri sa ta, i-total sa nato, i-forward nato di ang total, then ayha nato i-less. Pero kay karon siya raman isa, diretso ta. Represent by the open and close parenthesis. I-less din mo ang amount nga 4,977.78. So, ang equal ana nila, magbutang din ka og linya kay naamang kay function nga gibuhat, which is the subtraction. So, 350,000 minus 4,977.78. So, it is 345,022.22. Okay. Next nga imong buhaton is i-less nimo si withdrawal. Okay. I-less nimo si labasan withdrawal. So, the labasan withdrawal in the amount of 16,000. Kaya isa ra mangyapon siya, diretso na to i-forward diha ang iyahang amount. And then maglinya dayon ka. So 345,022.22 minus 16,000 is 329.22. So the 329.22.22, that will be your labasan capital. Okay, labasan capital for the year end December 31, 2009. So you are done with your statement of changes in equity. Okay, mo na siya ang mag-comprise gyud permi sa imuhang statement of changes in equity. The labasan capital, the capital account, the less net loss, and the less the withdrawal, then you will get your ending balance for the capital. Mo na siya, no? But para ipakita na ko sa inyo ang diferensya if net income siya, mag-example kita. For example, diri na to ibutang lang, no? for example, si labasan is naka-generate siya og net income. So, first imong buhaton, balik-balik na tong ginaingon, ang heading. Labasan, eternal images. Dayon, statement of changes in equity. Okay. Next is the for the year end ended December 31, 2009. Okay. So, ang una nimong buhaton, pareha gyapon diri sa babaw. You will identify the capital account. So, labasan capital. So, ang capital account nga gihatag sa trial balance mo na siya ang atuang beginning balance, which is the January 1, 2009. So, ang amount niya is 350,000. 350,000. Now, the original statement of comprehensive income of Henry Labasan, Eternal Images, is net loss. What if nag-net income siya? So, ang mahitabo, imuhang butangan og add net income. Okay, add net income. So, what if ang net income niya is 5,000. For example, naka-net income siya og 5,000. Okay, nga nang gibutang nako sa diha, kay mag-example po din ta og what if nag-additional investment siya. Okay, naay nahitabo nga additional investment. So, in the amount of 100,000. So, naay additional investment. Naay net income na additional investment. So, duha ang imuhang i-add. So, balik-balik na kung ginaingon, pag duha ang i-add, pag daghan ang i-add, pag daghan ang i-less, i-total nimo siya daan, ay nimo i-forward sa angay nimong i-add ug i-less. Okay, so i-forward nimo ang total amount, which is 150,000. So, ang 350,000 plus 150,000 is 500,000. Okay. So, muna siya ang imuhang amount nga nakuha from the labasan capital, add the net income, and then mag-add pagid ka og additional investment. Now, proceed ka sa less. Less the labasan withdrawal. So, the labasan withdrawal, the same as the example on the above, is 16,000 lang gyapon. Okay. So, 500,000 less 16,000, pila man na siya? Okay, so 500,000 minus 16,000 is 484,000. So, the 484,000, remember to always put a double rule. No? Mag-double rule yun ka sa ulahi when you are done with the statement. So, labasan capital for the year ended December 31, 2009. Okay. So, this is the pro forma of a statement of changes in equity when a company had generated a net income and also has an additional investment. So, mo ni siya ang plastada. Okay. So, in the statement of changes in equity, naatay ginatawag nga decrease in equity, which is in the form of net loss and withdrawal, and then the increase in equity, which is in the form of net income and additional investment. So, this is your statement of changes in equity. So, very simple. And then, nakita na po ninyo sa inyong statement of financial position. So, familiar na siya, gamay sa inyo ha. Okay. So, I hope you learned something. I hope this video will help you understand the changes in equity. So, see you on the next video for further the last statement nga ato ang tun-an, which is the statement of cash flow. So, I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.